I will show you a quick overview of Microsoft OneDrive. To access it, you may type onedrive.live.com. And here we are in the front page of Microsoft OneDrive. At the very left corner, we have the hamburger menu, and it's also called the App Launcher. When you click it, and you will see the Microsoft 365, Copilot, Outlook, OneDrive itself, Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, To Do, and so on. This is the logo of OneDrive. Beside it is the photo folder. Inside of that is the moments, gallery, album, and some other things here. Let's check the file. Come back to the front page. And here you can create or upload by clicking the plus sign or this button. I am on Microsoft free account, and as you can see here, there's an ad. Get 100 gigabytes free for a month. Start free trial. So that is for 1 month. And also get more storage here. If you click it, now it's reading. You'll see get more cloud storage with Microsoft 365. From basic, personal, premium, choose the subscription that best meets your needs. You can get it through yearly, and you can save some percentage or monthly. We have the Microsoft 365 Basic for one person, Microsoft 365 Personal, and Premium. These are the inclusions for each plan. For Basic, you have the Drive and Outlook for one person, and 100 gigabytes of secure cloud storage, a secure ad-free Outlook web and mobile email and calendars. And for personal, Microsoft 365, one person. So we have Copilot, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Microsoft Defender, OneNote, and Designer, and also Teams and Clipchamp. And the benefits: 1 terabyte of secure cloud storage, productivity apps with Microsoft Copilot, higher usage limits that free for select Copilot features. For the premium Microsoft 365, almost the same as personal, plus up to 6 people sign into 5 devices at once, and data and device security. If you want to see all Microsoft 365 plans, you may do so by clicking here. Let's close this. When you click this arrow, it will hide the navigation pane. See, and if you want to restore it, click it again. Now let's check files. So the files are arranged by name, modify dates, size, and if it is private or being shared. For example, this file, book.xlsx, so size is 6.09 kilobyte and is private. Let's check the shared files. I don't have shared file yet. And recycle bin, it's still empty. And if you want to check the storage, click that. Under options, you can manage your storage. And the storage summary, in my case, I only use zero point 0.1 gigabytes out of 5 gigabytes free storage. And if you want to get more, click this one. So the indicator here, for example, Outlook attachment and OneDrive, this is the space that is being used. You can also free up space by checking your OneDrive or Outlook attachments. Just in case you have limited space and you have used up some of your spaces and your storage, you can remove some of unnecessary attachment from your Outlook account. Since it is free, as I have mentioned, it has 5 gigabytes of storage, and you can upgrade it if you want to do so. What are the features of free version of Microsoft 365? Since I am on free version, these are the features: 5 gigabytes of cloud storage, 15 gigabytes of mailbox storage, and free web and mobile versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, OneDrive, and other apps. One of the options of OneDrive is Personal Vault. So verify your identity. You need to verify your identity before you can access these settings. Photo tagging and people section, notification, Send me email when you have the condition here. If you want to tick it, for example, for instance, like that, on this day, memories are available, theme-based memories are available. Click it, or OneDrive detects alerts number of files are deleted. You will be notified. Email digest, you can cancel or your untick it. You can save it. Okay. This moment I will cancel it. And for import cloud photos and file. Import cloud files. Your imported cloud files will be stored in My Files imports. So connect to Google Drive, connect to Dropbox, and import cloud photos. The same import history. Okay, you can restore your OneDrive. Here, if you want to read more about it, restore your OneDrive files. Let's click home again and see here. When you hover on the file, you will see the three dots here or ellipses. When you click it, you can share or open it. And also the owner, the date it was opened. Same goes here. You can see the ellipsis here. Open. You can open. Let's see what's inside the create or upload. See here, folder, files upload, folder upload, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and so on. That is a quick overview of Microsoft OneDrive.